All right, guys, we're doing Bob Seger today, Night Moves. All right, let's take a listen. Here we go, and... All right, guys, so again, I apologize for not having the neat little promo thing at the beginning and our other cameras. I'm just slipping in the studio to get some lessons done. So we got this overhead view, and really the only one you need, right, to learn the song. But we're going to do the part one right here. And as always, you know, this is extensive. I do every lick of the piano on here. You learn the whole piano part, the really cool stuff on the piano. I teach it all on the website, webpianoteacher.com. And you can download the sheet if you're a member, which is a great thing to do. And I spent a lot of time on this. I think you guys are going to like it. So I'll see you on the website. Let's get our part one going here. And this will take you a long way and even allow you to play with the recording and just have some fun with it with this free part one we do on YouTube. So C, E flat, A flat on the right hand. Left hand will have an A flat octave. And I apologize for the key. That's just the key it's in. You know, so probably the guitar is playing in the key of G, but using a capo. But we don't have capos on piano, so we actually have to play in A flat. A flat, E flat, A flat. I'm actually going to do the octave in a fifth here. Okay, this is an advanced lesson, so if you are, well into intermediate or advanced, you're going to be fine. If you are a beginner, you need some of my beginner lessons on the website. Tons of them. All right, so make sure you pick lessons that you can do. Don't set yourself up for success, not failure. All right, play what's on your level. C, E flat, A flat, until you're ready to move up. Right. So we're going to do 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're kind of marking time, and we're strumming the guitar on the piano. And your way that you do it won't be exactly as mine. That's fine. So you do 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then we go dun, 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 dun. Okay? So after you mark time, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Dun, 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 dun. We have 2 more A flat chords, but it's a little more, accented. Dun, 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 dun. And then we go to a G flat chord. And, flats are not a big deal. You just have to get used to playing with them. A lot of people find playing on the black keys is a little easier because they kind of guide your fingers. They really do. B flat, D flat, G flat. It's a G flat chord. And then we go to a D flat chord. A flat, D flat, F, left hand on a D flat. I could have also written this in, I could have used sharps, but that'd be weird, huh? I always like flats better than sharps. So 4 counts on that D flat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So this will be like this was. So if you're on a D flat chord, so you have A flat, G flat, and D flat. So get those chords under your fingers. You're going to use them all the time in this song. So I'm using the octave in the fifth, A flat octave with E flat in the middle, G flat octave with D flat in the middle, D flat octave with A flat in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, dun, dun. 4, 1, 2. Then we go the other way. We go D flat, G flat, and then we're back to A flat. Dun, 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 dun. And I'm fingering wise. I'm going 1, 3, 5, 1, 2, 5, and then 1, 2, 4 for me. And I'll play it different sometimes according to what my hand feels like. But find the thing that's easiest for you. But economy of motion, do the simplest thing to where you don't have to move very much. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and so that little vamping thing, you just get in there and try it. 3, 4, and 1, 2. It'll eventually happen for you. You just have to, like riding a bicycle, learning to. You just, you just something you figure out. Someone's helping you to get there, but it's actually you who learns how to have balance and ride the bike. And it'll actually be you who figures out vamping. Just listen to it, try to feel the music, keep working on it, and then once you can do it on every song, not just this one. All right, so lots of cool licks, so many piano licks. In fact, you want to learn the style of Bob Seger's piano player. I can't remember his name. This is a great one to do it on. And we got lots of other lessons, Bob Seger, on the website. So anyway, webpianoteacher.com, and we'll finish it together.